In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Finance Investment Tracker. Open your browser and head to google.com/finance. This is Google's hub for real-time market data, news, and importantly for us, a simple portfolio tracker. Once the page loads, sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. Being signed in ensures your portfolio is saved and syncs across devices, so you can check it from your phone or computer without losing anything. On the main Google Finance page, look for the option to create a new portfolio. Click New Portfolio. A portfolio is just a collection where you track the investments you own. Give it a clear name that helps you recognize it later. Something like personal investments or long-term portfolio works well. Descriptive names make it easier if you decide to create more than one. After your portfolio is created, click Add Investments. This opens the form where you'll add the details of your holdings. In the search box, enter the stock you want to track. You can type the company name or, even better, its ticker symbol for accuracy. As you type, Google will suggest matches. Take a quick moment to confirm you're selecting the right listing, especially if the company trades on multiple exchanges or if you see similarly named results. Click the correct stock from the suggestions to select it. Now you'll enter your position details. In the quantity field, type how many shares you own. This number drives the value and performance calculations in the tracker, so double check it. Next, choose your purchase date. Clicking the date field brings up a calendar so you can set the day you bought the shares. The date helps Google calculate your gains or losses based on your actual entry point, not just today's price. When everything looks right, click Save. Google Finance will add this position to your portfolio and start calculating its current value and performance automatically using live market data. To view the tracker details, click the Save Stock in your portfolio. This opens a page with charts, daily movement, and historical performance. You'll see your holdings' current market value, day change, and overall gain or loss based on the quantity and purchase date you entered. From here, you can use the time filters to explore trends and the news section to stay informed about your holdings. If you want to track more stocks later, simply repeat the same Add Investments process for each one.